So guys, how are you? So guys, today we are back with another unboxing of a game that is very popular. Which game it is? So guys, what do you do when you are hungry? You eat, right? So that's why today we are playing Hungry Turtles. Here we will unbox the game and then tell you what is inside it. So let's go. I'm so excited about this because I've seen hungry hippos, hungry crocodiles, but I've never seen hungry turtles. Rayan, what are you doing? No problem. There is another line there as it was in the domino train. Feed your turtle quickly before the balls run out. Over here I'm reading. So let's unbox it and I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's start. First let me see what is inside it and then we will play. Open it like this. Yeah, like this. We need to first take out the tapes. Oh! Here we have the balls, which are kind of beads. Here we have, and here we have the turtles. And as we press this button, the turtles are eating the तो गाइस अभी कोको जस्ट पॉज जस्ट और बोल रहा है अभी रुको भाई मुझे भी खेलना है रुको जरा सब्र करो रुको जरा मेरे लिए सब्र है यहाँ सरफेस में रैन रुक गया प्लीज वन रैन डू यू वांट टू पुट इट चलो भाई wait a minute we cannot put our hands over here like on the main surface we cannot put our hands and do like this just scatter it around and let's start. So Ryan, which turtle do you want? Blue, purple, okay, purple. My turtle is orange. 1, 2, 3. Maybe Ryan wins or it could be a tie also. Okay, let's count first mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So guys, now we will count Ryan's. My score is 13. What does Ryan reach me right now? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a tie! Both have 13. Oh my god! I just said that it could be a tie. Now it was tie, so we'll do it another round. Let's see. Put your hand over here. Ryan won. I have only 11, so Ryan won by 5 runs. So Ryan won by 5 runs. This is a very interesting game in which me and Ryan both really enjoyed. Ryan also won, so he was very excited to win, and I'm just like a little disappointed with myself, but it's fine. So this is a very good game. You can play it with your siblings, and you can get this anywhere you want. And if you get this, I'm promising you, you will not leave this game until you play like 3 rounds. Guys, I'm not playing these many rounds because the video will be very big. So here we have Coco and here we have the turtles, the hungry turtles, but we do not have hungry cat. We will try to get that also. Very good game. I hope you enjoyed our video. We enjoyed it so much that I can even tell you. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel, Aayan Vlogger. Allah Hafiz.